Trade definition in finance, benefits and how it works. What is trade? Trade is the voluntary exchange of goods or services between different economic actors. Since the parties are under no obligation to trade, a transaction will only occur if both parties consider it beneficial to their interest. Trade can have more specific meanings in different contexts. In financial markets, trade refers to purchasing and selling securities, commodities, or derivatives. Free trade means international exchange of products and services without obstruction by traffic or other trade barrier. Key takeaways: trade refers to the voluntary exchange of goods or services between economic actors. Since transactions are consensual, trade is generally considered to benefit both parties. In finance, trading refers to purchasing and selling securities or other assets. In international trade, the comparative advantage theory states trade, that trade benefits all parties. Most classical economists advocate for free trade, but some development economists believe protectionism has advantages. How trade works. As a generic term, trade can refer to any voluntary exchange from selling baseball cards between collectors to multi-million-dollar contracts between companies. In macroeconomics, trade usually refers to international trade, the system of export and import that connects to global economy. A product sold to the global market is an export, and a product bought from the global market is an import. Export can account for a significant source of wealth for well-connected economies. International trade results in increased efficiency and allows countries to benefit from foreign direct investment (FDI) by business in other countries. FDI can bring foreign currency and expertise into a country, raising local employment and skill levels for investors. FDI offers company expansion and growth, eventually leading to higher revenues. A trade defect is a situation where a country spends more aggregate imports from abroad than it earns from its aggregate export. A trade defect represents an outflow of domestic currency to foreign markets. This may also be referred to as a negative balance of trade. S two point S $28.5 trillion, the total value of global trading market according to the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development is $28.5 trillion. International trade. International trade occurs when countries put goods and services on the international market and trade with each other. Without trade between different countries, many modern amenities people expect to have would not be available. Comparative advantage. Trade seems to be as old as civilization itself. Ancient civilization traded with each other for goods they could not produce for themselves due to climate, natural resources, or other inhibiting factors. The ability of two countries to produce items the other could not and mutually exchange them led to principle of comparative advantage. This principle commonly known as the law of comparative advantage.